nagtuon man ako magsulti og Bisaya. Kaya lang, walang kapraktisan, kaistoryahan sa Manila. So, Tagalog na lang, please.
Hindi, kumuha ka ng boyfriend at Bisaya.
Taga-translate.
Pas, Mayor. Mayor, na pag-usapan niyo po yung gera?
Hindi naman. Wala naman masyado. Minention ko lang kung ano, kung nakita niya ko sa balita.
May access po siya sa balita?
I do not know. I do not know. Hindi ko alam kung meron.
O yung gamit natin doon.
Kasi hindi naman natin alam kung pinag-uusapan sa loob or hindi.
What did he say, Mayor?
About what?
Yung tinanong mo kung nabalitaan.
Wala naman siya comment. Sabi niya, magulo yan.
Hindi niyo po napag-usapan yung ano, I believe hindi rin niyo gusto i-monitor yung hearings ng past week.
Yeah.
So hindi na siya pinag-usapan.
It's not allowed inside the detention unit. You're not supposed to talk about the case. Yeah.
But how is he? How is he? Kasi po yung huling, yung closing statement ni Mr. Kaufman revolved around yung visit niya, how the president seems parang parang prepared to meet his parang will happen now.
I do not know. We do not talk about these things when we're inside the detention unit. We just talk about, like everyday life and personal things.
The candidacy of your sister, VP Sara, was that
No, I did not mention.
Hindi rin politika.
Hindi namin pinag-usapan. I forgot to mention it.
Sino po mga kinamusta niya sa pamilya?
Mga apo.
Pinakanamiss niya.
What about the performance of your
Clear.
vice mayor na upload?
Clear, ma'am. Clear.
Tatawid ko pala.
Oh, wait lang.
Oo, hindi na.
Teka lang po. Sorry.
Sir, what about the performance of your vice mayor na upload din niya? Was that
No, just ask about Davao in general. How is it? Sabi ko, wala, it's okay. Relatively, could be better than anywhere else in the Philippines. So, yun.
Sir, what about the Marcos administration, yung feud with your family? Was that also?
No, kasi wala eh. Wala na kaming pinag-usapang ganun. All we talked about was the midterm elections and the results of the midterm elections. So that says it all. Parang nandun na yung lahat ng kailangan mong malaman about the Marcos administration because they did not win in Davao and they put so much money invested so much in Davao City. So that says a lot already.
He's not yet looking at the 2028.
Wala kaming pinag-usapan na ganun ngayon. Maybe tomorrow, maybe some other day. But wala, I'm just happy to see him again.
And what was your impression pumayat pa?
Of course, lahat naman siguro pag ikaw nilagay sa detention unit, you get depressed, you don't want to eat the food because wala kang gana.
Hindi pa rin siya
I think
naka-adjust.
that's natural for everyone, huh?
Hindi pa rin siya naka-adjust sa food.
It's not the food, it's the situation
Clear,
that
guys.
he's in.
Sir, what about birthday plans? Or maybe first birthday malapit na napag-usapan?
No,
Kayo po, wala po kayong pinaplano for him? Perhaps the whole family gathering here for the 81st?
wala. We don't even celebrate our own birthdays.
Left, sir. Left, sir.
Because of what
Left.
happened?
No,
Not anymore.
no, because it's just in the family.
It's just a practice.
Yeah.
Ganun lang, sir. Hindi siya parang nakagisnan.
Hindi ko alam eh. Parang ano eh. Wala, I really don't know. We just don't see the need for it. Ako,
Mayor, were you able to talk about the decision of your sister?
wala.
Okay.
Wala.
So, paano ang sir? Parang arrangement with the family? Paano po yung rotation din?
Depende. Ako, less likely na makakasama sa rotation. Kasi let's say mayor ako ng Davao. Mahirap na matagal ako mawala. Pero, syempre, gusto ko rin makita yung tatay ko.
Mayor, I understand
Kaya
that
sumisingit.